Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to hide the header and footer in Shopify. First, we'll access the Shopify dashboard. Then we'll click on Online Store on the left side. On the Themes page, we'll go to our theme and click Customize. This opens our store's customization page. Hiding the header and footer is simple, like for a landing page. We have the header on top and footer below. To hide both, go to the left sidebar menu. At the top, you'll see the header option. Hover over it and an eye icon appears on the right. Click the eye icon to hide the footer too. Just scroll down to the footer. Hover over it and you'll see an eye icon. This will hide the footer. Now your store shows only the middle part without header or footer. Finally, you need to save. To save, go to the top right and click the Save button. Click it and the changes will be saved. Your store now lacks header and footer. When you access your store, neither header nor footer will be visible. Your store will show only the middle part. You can design it like a landing page. I hope this helped.